Well, recently I came across this 13th principle of Patrick Bet-David. So Patrick Bet-David talks about money in general, and what does he mean by money is money has rules, money has principles. So when it comes down to play your own game, this is one of the principles that Patrick Bet-David spoke like a couple of years ago on his YouTube Valuetainment. So what he says here basically is to not compare yourself to others and focus on your journey. Now, recently I came across Alex Hermosi's content where he talks about, um, let's say you are a human, obviously, so you have two hands and one brain. And what Alex's grandfather said that if you have those two hands and one brain, you should use it. And if you're not using your two hands and one brain, that means you're playing someone else's game. So that is the reason why you need to play your own game. And when it comes down to play your own game, it's not having it's not just about having the right mindset, but it's also about having the light leverage. And what do I mean by right light leverage is that whatever resources you have right now, you combine the resources with AI, let's say for example, Claude, and then you ask AI every single day about, okay, if this is human A, which is the actual human, and this is human B, which is also a human who uses AI. So this is the one who does not use AI. This is the one who uses AI. Now, if you had to compare between the human A and human B, what is the number one skill that this resource can provide that this human who is already skilled can go and compete in the world versus this human who is skilled and uses AI? How efficiently and effectively can this particular person go out in the universe, go out in the world, and create that particular value for the customers or for your consumers, for your business, or anything you're building in general, whether you're an artist, whether you're a scientist. But at the end of the day, people who are not using AI to position themselves every single day, but at the same time using their own brains and two hands that they have to actually build the skills that they should do, will not only win, but will rule the next generation of technology and AI. So at the end of the day, this is a money principle. It's simply play your own game. So when you play your own game with the skills that you learn and you leverage that with AI, you understand how skillful you can become and how powerful you can become. Now there are people who only use AI versus people who will only use their skill. And that's not bad at the end of the day. But people who are not skilled and will only use AI will not be able to train the LLM. The LLM means the large language model. So in order to understand, like AI is already skilled, it knows more than you, it knows every single thing, but it does not know what output you need, what kind of skill do you have. So you need to train the large language model. Versus a person who is skilled and who is not using AI will get outruled by the person who is skilled and who is using AI. Because in the era of AI and cloud and Anthropic, like moving at this speed, you need to be able to leverage both AI plus skill.